Changing your phone number on Carta is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Carta website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select contact information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Carta. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.